All right, so this was the exception that I threw in the third attempt to generate auto migration in our Alembic version file. So this time it throws an error about was not able to find table users, which possibly the problem is from our model.py. So I quickly moved to our model.py. I realized that I did not add the base models as input parameter here in the user and then attendance. I think the row and then yes, in the row as well. So I quickly add it. So let's generate again and see what will happen. Good. This time we are successful. And from the log, you could see that it was able to create it was able to generate the version file. I think, let me go there for you to see what happened. So version, you could see the last one, created table. I think this one. Yes, you could see that now the function have definitions. So you could see that it created this table, did all this for us automatically, and then this as well, which is the users, created all the relationship as well for us. Okay, now that we are through with this, we need to run one more command, which is we need to run one more command. It is alembic upgrade head. So this will now move all our migration from the Alembic file here into the database for us. So now that we have run that file, it was successful. We can now come to our database and we need to refresh this database. Then come to schema, come to tables. We should see the tables created for us. So as you can see, this is an Alembic version table, which is used to manage the version of the migrations that we are running. And then this is the attendance table. This is the row table. This is the user row base, user row table, and this is the user table. All right. Now that we are done with this. Next is writing logic to log in and log out.